What we need to do in this section is to take the graph of y is equal to fx and transform it to the graph of y is equal to 1 plus f half x. And to do that, we must observe two transformations. Number one, this 1 over here is going to translate that graph by 1 unit parallel to the y-axis in the positive direction. So it is pretty obvious, I just need to shift that graph up by 1 unit. So 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 2. Half x is going to cause the graph of that to be scaled by a factor of 2 parallel to the x-axis. That means it's going to be expanded by 2 times. Which means that I'm going to take this and expand it by 2 times. This is going to go all the way until minus 2, but because we are chopping it at minus 1, that is why here it is going to stop. This is a 1 unit portion, but it is going to be stretched to 2 units, so from 1 to 2 units. And this portion here will also be stretched, but the thing is, it is going to be cut off at 4. That is why this is actually a slightly more tricky point. What we need to do is to find out what is the output, which is 5/4 here. I'm going to show you how I get this value. It is by referring back to this expression, but transforming it according to this that I have here. That means for that expression, if it undergoes this transformation, it is going to become 1 plus f half x. That means it is going to be 1/4 of half x minus 3 squared. And if now I were to sub 4 into here, that means it is going to be 1 plus 1/4 of half times 4 minus 3 squared. And this is how I managed to get the 5/4.